today we are going to see digital electronics, right? What is digital electronics, right? So actually in that first is what basic things you will need to know, that what is circuit is. So circuit is nothing but a device or set of devices which takes the input, processes it and generates the output. So here inputs should be more than one input may be required, right? There may be n number of inputs and output, at least one output should be there, that may be represented by function, or you can say that just by any of the variable. So I will write here variable y, right? This is what circuit is. But how to draw a circuit actually? So to draw, since we are dealing with the digital electronics subject, that means for every task we have to design a circuit, and through that circuit we have to generate the output for the given input, right? So that is what your circuit is. So what is the circuit? Circuit is a device or set of devices which processes the provided input and generates the output. That is what your circuit is. But how to draw a circuit? So to draw a circuit, first step is what? Draw the truth table. Draw truth table. Right. Then second is what? Here derive equation from the truth table. Third is simplify the equation. And last is draw the circuit. So here I just explain in short what does it mean. So on the in first step we have to draw the truth table. So here truth table means what? Here truth table consists of what? Number of inputs and number of outputs, right? So actually what for drawing the truth table, what we have to do, we have to read the problem statement carefully and decide what may be the input and what may be the outputs, right? So on the so mainly two columns are there in a truth table, that is what here one input column and one output column. So here two columns are required, one is output and one is input. There may be any number of inputs may be there, then maybe any number of outputs may be there in a truth table, right? Now next is what? We have to derive the equation. So to derive the equation, right, so we have to use your truth table, right? So whatever the output, expected output in the truth table, for that we have to design the expression or equation, right? That equation may be in the form of SOP form or POS form, and that equation is called as Boolean expression, right? Now next is what? We have to simplify that equation by using Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems, right? Now last is what? After simplifying the equation, we have to draw the circuit, right? So that is the 4 steps we are requiring for drawing the circuit, right? So that is what your circuit is and how to draw the circuit. Now as I had already told you that first step is your truth table, right? So how to draw the truth table? So here truth table mainly consists of 2 columns, that is input column and another one is output column, right? So here any number of inputs may be there, so I will consider 2 inputs here and 1 output. Output may be represented by any variable or function f, right? So here 2 inputs and y is the output, right? So how many combinations will be there for the input? So for combinations, for calculating the combinations, we are having a formula, that is 2 to the power n, and n is nothing but the number of inputs. So here number of inputs are 2, so that's why 2 to the power 2. That means 4 combinations are there. So write the combinations in the form of zeros and 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. These are the 4 combinations. Now I'll write whatever the output, since we don't have a circuit or we don't have a any task to perform. So I can write any of the, wait, that may be 1 or 0 as a output. So I had written 1 0 0 1, right, as a output, right. Now next step is what? Derive the equation. So to derive the equation, what? Output equal to y is the output, and here inputs are a and b, right. Now from this truth table, what we have to do? We have to derive the output. So we have to derive the equation. So to derive the equation, just observe the output column, right. So by observing the output column, you can write or derive the equation. That equation may be in the form of SOP form or POS form. That may be in the form of SOP form or POS form, right. So what is SOP and what is POS, I will tell you in the next lecture. So just here I can write any of the form. I had used here only form, right. SOP form I had used here to derive the equation, right. Now third step is what? Just simplify the equation. So to simplify the equation, there are Boolean laws and De Morgan's theorems. By using that, we have to simplify the equation. So for simplifying, you can see that this is the formula for A XNOR B, right. So here this is the simplified equation, and to draw the circuit, just we will require logic gates, right. So this is XNOR gate. So just XNOR is the complement of XOR gate. So XOR gate with NOT, right, that is XNOR. So here AB, and we got the equation as y equal to A dot B, right. So this is the way to draw the circuit for any of the task which is asked to us, right. So these 4 steps we have to perform, right. Now next is in another lecture we are going to see what is Boolean equation, right. Boolean equation. So